Winter Health Essential Tea. Monk Fruit Pure Pear Tea. Tastes sweet and mellow. Lung heat, cough, phlegm, dry throat, itching and other symptoms are very helpful. Moistening the lung cough super drink. Required ingredients are pear peel, monk fruit, orange peel. First of all, cut the pear. Add the washed pear peel. Wash the monk fruit, break it off. Wash the orange peel, put it in the kettle and add water. The fire boils to a small fire for 20分钟 Youths recently cough sputum while drinking health tea. Pay attention to the usual warm and diet.